Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and 12 plus years of IT industry experience. I have worked in companies like Tata, Motorola, Nokia. Now, friends, TCS has started sending feedback form. Also, in one of the mail, you will be able to see that TCS has revoked the offer letter. So we are going to talk about that, right? But there is no concern as such here, okay? So you don't have to worry. And after receiving this feedback form, many other students started asking, sir, many of them are getting TCS feedback form. That means rejection. Sir, I received feedback form menu in the TCS Nexus portal. What does it mean? So I thought, like, see, your problem is my problem, and that is the reason. See, I always try to make a complete videos on your queries so that most of the people queries will be covered there. So if you like the effort, right, and if you want to appreciate, please do like the video. Now, the first thing we will see, friends, feedback form, and then so what is that? Offer revoke mail by TCS. Okay. Now, so friends, feedback form. This is a form most of the students now are able to see in their next step portal feedback form. So we at Tata Consultancy Services have an uncompromising determination to achieve excellence in everything we do. We deliver our promise of certainty every time we work in partnership with our stakeholders. You are one of our key stakeholders and we would like to share feedback with us. So on a scale of 1 to 5, please indicate your satisfaction level with the selection process and the next step portal on the below parameters, right? So now TCS is asking, so how was the overall, right? So how was the overall selection process? Please rate us. So 5 means excellent, exceed expectations. 4 means very good, meet expectations. Third means good, minor improvement can be made. 2 satisfactory, considerable improvement needed. So friends, I will tell you, please select this part, okay? So 2 satisfactory, considerable improvement needed, because now also, right, so there are many students who are not happy, gave interview for digital, right, got ninja, gave interview for prime, got ninja, gave interview for prime, got rejected, right? So the transparency is still not there, right? So it again depends upon, right, so how they felt about you, how they judged you, right? So all, there are a lot of things matters, right? And also, friends, there should be a fixed date to release the result, because now many of the students are not sure that when the result will be released and or not, so they can improve. So satisfactory, but improvement is required, that they need to do it, right? So they are lacking in lot of places regarding the clarity and all. Now, so friends, the thing which I wanted to tell you, so the feedback form does not mean you are rejected and you are receiving that. Even selected a student, you see, so this is one of the selected student here. So and this particular candidate, right, so she received the offer letter yesterday, right? So 26th of July, 26th of July, 10 p.m. in the night. Okay. So she received the offer letter. Here you can see yesterday, 26th of July, 10 p.m. And if you can see, the feedback form is here, right? The feedback form is here. So it is, so if you are receiving feedback form, it doesn't mean you are rejected, okay? Because now also there are people who are receiving the offer letter. Yesterday also somebody received, today also some are going to receive. So friends, you need to wait for some more days, right? See, you need to please wait for some more days. Don't conclude now that you are rejected, okay? And don't listen any of the YouTube videos. See, you use your mind. I am giving you the correct information here, genuine information. So use your mind, think from your perspective, because even I don't know, no one knows that TCS will be releasing the result till when, okay? So you can wait for another 5 to 10 days, right, to see like if you are getting the result or not, because continuously from a week I am getting the messages that, sir, I have selected for digital role, I have selected for ninja role, I have selected for this role. So still the hope is there. Don't lose your hope, right? See, I will pray to God that everyone who is associated with us get a job in TCS for any profile, okay? At least you should start your career right now, right? Okay, so please wait, Dibya and other person. Now there is one screenshot which right, is uh, getting basically circulated at multiple places, right? So this reference to your TCS offer with reference ID this, okay. So basis on your telephonic discussion with you and your subsequent confirmation on email, we are given to understand that unforeseen changes in our company needs, therefore kindly be informed your TCS offer letter is revoked. Friends, don't get into all those things, right? See, don't, these are, there might be one scenario or one case, or this might not be true also, okay. So don't get into all those things, right? Don't see at all these things. That is the reason I'm making this video, because I know it will cause so much tension or frustration to all of you. What you have to do is, you have to take everything seriously. So explore courses, please go through completely, understand each and everything, right? And then you study. Don't get distracted by seeing some kind of image, some kind of things like that, right? So we already have a WhatsApp group for selected candidates, right? So we already have a WhatsApp group for the selected candidates, those who are benefited by online study for you, right? So those who are benefited by online study for you. And till now, friends, we have 3000 student list, those who have got selected in TCS, and they have either had the courses of online study for you, or they have got benefited by online study for you, right? So that WhatsApp group, if you are benefited by online study for you at any place, then you can join this WhatsApp group, right? The link will be in the form, link will be in the description, right? And definitely I know there are still many students who are selected and got benefited by online study for you, but we are still not able to, they are not able to reach us, or we are not able to reach them, right? So that's all I wanted to tell in this video, short video. And please take care of yourself, things will be all right. Thank you, bye bye, see you soon.